The Sandigan Bayan on Thursday found probable cause for the plunder and graft charges of Senator Ramon Revilla Jr. over the pork barrel scam. The Anti-Graft First Division in a resolution said this means an arrest warrant may finally be issued against Revilla, but it has deferred the warrant for tomorrow on Friday. The division said in finding probable cause, it effectively junked Revilla's motion to defer the arrest warrant and to dismiss the case. This after the division also junked Revilla's motion to suspend the proceedings of the pork barrel scam. In a hearing, the Anti-Graft Court said it could not suspend proceedings without a restraining order from the Supreme Court. Revilla's lawyer, Joel Bodigon, maintained that the plunder charge against Revilla should be dismissed.
Ang posisyon namin, walang kasalanan si Senator Revilla. Kaya dapat i-dismiss talaga ito. Yun ang aming buong kaisipan dito sa mga kasong ito.
So yung sinasabi niyo, sir, na dapat i-dismiss dahil walang basihan, yan yung laman ng motion ninyo?
Opo, yun ang aming, in fact, the core argument that we have in our motion for judicial determination ay talagang walang kaso. At ang pagka-file nga ng information by the Ombudsman dito sa mga kasong ito, ay violated this constitutional right to due process. Kaya para sa amin, yung pag-file ng Ombudsman ng information ay void ab initio. Because from the beginning, void yung information at dapat i-dismiss ang kaso.
He said it should be the whistleblowers who should be charged because they admitted to forging documents for the scam. This is Mark Jason Cayabyab reporting for Inquirer.net.